Zan, what is your favorite thing to eat?
I like to eat cucumbers and even lemons. Even sauerkraut. I eat everything. I eat everything. Sour.
And then Imad, what is your favorite thing to eat?
Everything. No spicy stuff on me. I love spicy stuff. Oh wait, just to say if you don't like apples.
Yay.
And I like everything not spicy.
Oh, okay. And what are you eating? Do you like that, what you're eating? What is that?
Chewish.
And then what's in the bowl?
Kale salad. Kale salad.
You like kale salad? And Abdullah, what is your favorite thing to eat on this table?
My favorite thing to eat? Well, I like vegetables, like these big carrots. What? Did you know that there's yellow carrots and purple carrots? I love the purple carrots.
Yay! Healthy bodies, happy tummies. Yay!